In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Notion for internship applications so you can track everything in one place and stay organized during your entire application season. If you're applying to multiple companies and feel overwhelmed trying to remember deadlines, statuses, and details, this setup will completely change the way you manage internships. I'll walk you step by step through creating a clean board view, adding important details, and organizing applications so you can see everything at a glance. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more productivity and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to your Internship Tracker page. This is where all your internship applications will live. If you already have a basic tracker, that's perfect. If not, you can create a new page and name it Internship Tracker, so everything stays centralized. Once you're on the page, click anywhere on the page and type /board. This will let you create a board-style database, which is one of the best ways to visually track applications by status. From the options that appear, select Board View. This will instantly create columns that you can customize based on where each application stands, such as Applied, Interviewing, Offer, or Rejected. Now click on one of the cards in the board, for example, a company like Google. Inside this card, start adding relevant details. You can include things like the role title, application deadline, link to the job posting, recruiter contact, location, and any notes about the interview process. This makes sure that every application has all the information you need in one place. Next, repeat this process with other companies, such as Amazon. Click on the Amazon card and again add all the relevant details. Be consistent with the fields you use so your tracker stays clean and easy to scan. Then do the same for another company, like IBM. Over time, this becomes a powerful database where you can quickly compare applications and know exactly where you stand. Once you've added several applications, you may notice that the side peek view takes up a lot of space. To fix this, minimize the side peek window so you can see all your applications at a glance across the board. This is especially useful when you're reviewing progress or planning follow-ups. Now here's an important organization tip. Click on the menu option on any column in your board. From the menu, select Hide Group. This is perfect for creating a hidden or archived column. If you get rejected from a role, don't delete the application. Instead, drag it into a hidden archive column. This allows you to track your total outreach and see how many applications you've sent overall, which is great for motivation and reflection. By the end of this process, you'll have a fully optimized Notion internship tracker that's clean, visual, and incredibly effective. You can instantly see where each application stands and focus your energy where it matters most. And that's it. You've now learned how to optimize your Notion for internship applications. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Notion, productivity, and career-focused tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.